Hi everyone. This one's just going to be a guided meditation to help you to create the perfect space in your womb for child rearing. So I'm just going to talk through the process. So just lie down, sit or lie down in a comfortable space and allow some quiet and peace around you. Place your left hand on your heart and your right hand on the lower belly. Take a few moments to connect your breath and come into the present moment. Begin to feel love from your heart being absorbed in through your left palm. Feel this love traveling up your left arm, across your chest, down your right arm and out through your right palm, filling your belly with warmth and light. Once you can feel a strong connection between your heart and your womb, start to picture what your womb looks like inside. This can be quite accurate to anatomy or more imaginative, a cozy room or a garden. Once you can see this, you can begin to prepare the space, filling your womb with light. Scan this space and see if there are any areas holding tension, any areas holding darkness, and invite the light to cleanse and release those places. Now begin to add any objects to this space that you feel would make it feel more beautiful or exciting or friendly or warm for a soul to enter. For example, you might have some candles or some cushions or a garden full of flowers, plush rugs or fine tapestries. Hold this vision of this new enhanced space. Bring your awareness back to the loving flowing in from your heart and out through your palm. In from your heart and out through your palm. See it shining in on the space you have just created. Finally, when you are ready to come back, bring your awareness back into your heart and offer yourself some of your own shining love. Become more aware of your breath, letting it deepen. This is when you gently open your eyes. After the first time you do this meditation, it can be done as often and as quickly as you like. You can do it for a minute or 30 minutes each day, or each night before bed, or in any quiet moments you have. This allows you to continue to strengthen the connection between your heart and your womb, and creates a welcoming space in which to invite a new soul. I am more and more confident in my ability to create. I am more confident in my ability to embrace life. My life is filled with happiness and joy that I am happy to share. Take care, everyone. Peace.